So I have a node MCU ESP8266 connected with a sharp infrared sensor, which has a primary goal to count people. For example, like this 1, 2, and 3. So it takes the data and sends it through a API to Google, actually, to update a spreadsheet. In this case, Google Sheet. You can see the counting here. So this time I will say confidently, at least not like an idiot. So this one is the setup, just the node MC with the sensor. This one is the code. You can find it on my GitHub account. And this one is the script for the extension of our sheet. And you can see the live counting here. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.